In this video, I'll guide you through how to record laptop screen with video and audio. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. If you're using a Windows computer and want to record your laptop screen with audio and video, then click Windows Shift R at the same time. Then this can be a powerful affair. Now you want to record your screen, then tap on the record tab, and now you have two different options. You can record a specific area of your computer, or you can record this full window. If you want to record your specific area on this tab, then click on the drop down box and choose rectangle and choose the area which you want to record. Then click on the start button. And if you want to record this whole window, then click on the drop down box and choose window. Then search your window. Then this pop-up will be changed. Then if you want to record your microphone, then unmute this. To unmute, you need to tap on it. And if you want to record your background audio, then enable this. Once you're ready, then click on the start button. Then the timer will appear on your screen. And the recording will be start. Once you finish your recording, then click on the Z button. Once you're satisfied with that, then click on the save button. Now choose a file location and click on the save. By following this tutorial, you can easily record laptop screen with video and audio.